Easy clown makeup do's and don'ts. Let's do it. The first don't is drawing a big blocky triangle above your eyebrow and doing the same underneath your eye. The next don't is the mouth, so you don't want to draw it like this, doing that typical clown shape. Then just filling that in with black. I'm just going to add the nose circle because there's not really a right or wrong way to do a circle. Now for the do side. On the do side, you want to make that triangle a lot thinner and get those lines nice and neat. And then do the same underneath your eye. Now for the mouth, you just want to line your lips like normal with a black lipstick or lip liner. I'm using an eyeliner. Fill it in. But then what you want to do is extend the corner of your mouth out and then just join it up to your lips. Then finish up with a little white line on the nose. I'm just using face paint. And if you really want to make it spooky, add a lens. And that's it. But what do you guys think? Do you prefer the do side or the don't side? Comment and let me know what looks you want to see next. Thanks for watching.